welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the alt text generator AI plugin for Figma. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to alttextgeneratorAI.com, or you can go to the Figma marketplace. But if you're on the home page here, you can scroll down and go to Figma plugin and install plugin. This will take you to the Figma marketplace, and here you can just click on open in Figma, and then it will give you the options to select the file that you already have. And this is how the alt text generator AI plugin looks like. Here you can say save or run. I'll just say run, generate alt text, and here you'll see the UI, which looks like this. And here you have the API key, which I already have it. You have the credits that you have remaining, and you have the language as well in which you want to generate the alt text in. So you can select between 35 languages. You can select images individually by just selecting them and then clicking on generate alt text, or you can just click on generate in bulk, which will generate alt text in bulk for all of the images on the Canva. If you don't have an API key, you can go where it says get free API key, and this will take you once again to alttextgeneratorAI.com/dashboard. Here, if you click on show API key, it will show your API key, and then you can just copy that and paste it here and save. Okay, so I'm not going to show the API key, but if your API key doesn't have any credits, you can go to pricing, and here you can buy any of these affordable plans, and this is just like a one-time payment for the number of credits that's shown here. Okay, so let's go back to the Figma file, and here what we're going to be doing is maybe let's use the generate in bulk. So I'm just going to choose a language. Let's just leave it in English, and then I'll just click on generate in bulk. And you saw that there was an alert showing that it was generating the alt text. If you here on the left side, you can see that the image got converted into a component. That's the way it has to be done, so that you can add like a description for that image. And if you click on this one and go here where it says component and component configuration, you'll see that the alt text was generated successfully for that image. Yeah. So for the second image, if you click on the image and then go here once again, you can see that the alt text was generated for this image as well. And if you want to generate alt text for images individually, you can just follow the same process, and you can just go to plugin, generate alt text, select the image, and then click on generate alt text, and you should be generating alt text for that image individually. And yes, that's it. That's how you add alt text to your images in Figma. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.